across to Saurabh Gupta joining us live from outside Mamata Banerjee's residence. We also have Radhika Ramaswamy joining us from Mumbai. Saurabh, to you first. The TMC at the moment is leading in 31 seats, the BJP in 10 and the Congress in 1. Mamata Banerjee had said that she will ask pollsters to apologize if the exit polls are wrong. Is she going to make that happen? What are you picking up? What's happening outside her house?
Well, the Trinamool is definitely in the mood to do so because, as you can see right now, celebrations have broken out. And this is, of course, what Mamata Banerjee is known for, the iconic Hawai Chappal, something that Trinamool workers always support with. So, celebrations outside. Now, if I can quickly go through 4 points that the Trinamool, of course, is, working on and why they see this as a victory. And those 4 points are very important. One, of course, is the Lokhir Bandar. Women voters always with Mamata Banerjee. Secondly, there is, of course, this issue of, the fact that central funds were withheld. That's something that the Trinamool built into its election narrative. That seems to have worked, with the Trinamool having paid out some of those dues from state funds. Thirdly, there is also the other thing there is the whole. There is also the other thing about. There is also this whole thing of Trinamool. So a lot of celebration here is, of course.